In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your tasks in Asana. If you're new to Asana, or even if you've been using it for a while, one of the most important places you'll use every day is the My Tasks section. This is where Asana gathers everything that's assigned to you across all your projects, so you can stay organized and know exactly what you should be working on. To get started, open Asana in your web browser and log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. This is your main sidebar, where you'll see things like Home, Inbox, and your projects. In this same sidebar, you should see an option called My Tasks. It might be near the top, usually listed under your workspace or organization name. Go ahead and click on My Tasks in that left sidebar. When you click it, Asana will open a dedicated view showing all the tasks that are currently assigned to you. This is your personal hub. Think of it as your to-do list that Asana keeps updated automatically, no matter which project the task came from. Once you're in the My Tasks view, you'll see your tasks laid out in a list, board, or calendar format, depending on what you've chosen before. If this is your first time here, it's probably in a simple list view, grouped by sections like Recently Assigned, Today, Upcoming, or Later, depending on your setup. You can click on any task to open its details on the right side of the screen and see more information, such as due dates, subtasks, and any comments from teammates. If you have a lot of tasks, you can also use the search bar at the top or the filter options within the My Task page to narrow things down. For example, you might filter by due date so you only see what's coming up soon, or sort tasks to show the most urgent items first. This helps you focus on what truly matters right now. Remember, you don't have to visit each individual project to see what you need to do. Simply returning to My Tasks from the left sidebar will always bring you back to your personal task list. Over time, clicking this one area will likely become your daily starting point in Asana. That's all there is to it. Just open Asana, look to the left sidebar, and click on My Tasks to view everything assigned to you in one place.